All right, so in the previous video, in the previous step, I mentioned we'll get at writing our script to make our toggle button work. But before we do that, what we should do is add our audio files. Okay, so I'm going to find, here it is, here, our div, and immediately following my second image, I'm going to go ahead and just add a return, and then we're going to paste in another div. All right, and this div will hold our audio files. All right, so this div is going to be called hide player. I should say we'll have the class hide player, and then inside you will see our audio file, and our audio file, we're going to use the ID my audio, and I don't need this class. That was for something else I was working with, so let's just get rid of that class, and we're going to use the ID my audio to create a hook or a link to our audio here. Okay, and this is what we're going to use in our script. Okay, this ID to target our audio source. Now, let's go back up and look at our div. We have class hide player. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a rule, and that rule is simply going to hide the audio. But before we do that, let's go ahead and save, and we will take a look at what we've just added. All right, so we now have our audio player inside this div, which is holding our graphic for our toggle. All right, so let's go back, and after play pause audio, we will then paste in our style, which will hide our player. And what I'm going to do is, this is sort of triple redundancy, if you will. We could just say display none, but we're going to go ahead and set the height to 0, so our element will collapse. The visibility is hidden. Then we'll set the display to none. So basically, we're doing three things to make sure we do not see this player. Matter of fact, we probably could even put overflow hidden on this also. Okay, but we should be fine this way. Let's go ahead and save, and we'll update our page, and you'll see we no longer see the player. We just have our graphic, which is going to toggle our audio on and off. Okay, so we should be all set up. In the next step, we will add our JavaScript, which will control our audio and toggle our graphics for our animated sequencer button on and off.